Welcome back. Pathways Health Center for Children in Sarnia was recognized in Sarnia Mayor Mike Bradley's 2025 honor list, a recognition established in 1981 to highlight individuals and organizations that have made a significant contribution to the quality of life in the community. Joining me now to talk about their recognition is their CEO, Alison Morrison. Alison, thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here and an honor to be recognized.
Yeah, no problem. Let's talk about that recognition. So what does it mean to you, to your staff, and I guess the families that you serve to be recognized?
Yeah, what a wonderful day on the last day of the year to hear that Mayor Mike Bradley identified that Pathways was worthy for this list. And of course, we believe that we're worthy for the list. 50 years of service to this community, helping kids and families, children and youth with communication, physical and developmental needs. And we've had quite an impact in the community, and our 50-year anniversary celebrations really illuminated those things. We heard so many stories of impact. So, we know that the work that we do is important, but how lovely it is to hear that reflected back to us.
That's really nice. And let's talk about any stories over, you earlier before the show you were saying you've been with the organization for 28 years, but maybe in the last year or in those 28, any stories that stick out to you or any milestones that have truly captured the spirit of Pathways?
Yeah, I mean, we talk about our goals achieved are the goals of every day, where kids are meeting new milestones and growing into their potential. Last year, we intended on telling the stories of Pathways and the impact, and what ended up happening was us receiving so many stories, people reaching out to us over the phone, through email or in person, saying what a difference Pathways made in their lives. We heard stories from families with young children right to adults who have shared that they were some of the first clients of the organization back in 1975, and how they believe that if it weren't for their experiences at Pathways, they would not have been where they were today. So many of those stories, it was an opportunity for our staff also to reconnect with some of those children who are now young adults or adults. We had our hallways filled in our May open house day with staff of the past and clients of the past who ran into one another. This wonderful picture that we have from years ago in the 90s of a staff and a young child who ran into each other on this day, and now had the staff and the adult. We took another picture of the physiotherapist with this young person, this adult now, who said, "You made a difference."